Are you a health quiz whiz? Let's find out today on You Oughta Know with your host, You Guessed It.
Hello everyone, You Guessed It here. Do you know the basics of healthy cooking? Let's find out. Which is the least healthy way to cook something? Broil, grill, fry, or steam? Take a moment and give it your best shot. The answer is C, fry. Frying your foods can add unwanted calories and trans fats, which can put you at risk for certain health conditions. The best option is to keep fried foods to a minimum. Stay healthy, stay smart. This is You Guessed It.
Stay tuned and test your health knowledge on the next episode of You Oughta Know.